Hello, my name is Angela Almaguer and I completed the Part 107 and the Paragon VTOL Academy. I can have more options in what I want to do in the criminal justice and law enforcement field. So in whatever agency I go into, I can have maybe better pay or something because I have a skill that not everyone has. So in the classroom, we just went over a lot of videos and programs that really teach us how to read the airspace, because in the airspace there's a lot of symbols and lines that you need to learn so you can pass the test, and weather restrictions and everything. The test was not very hard, but it was challenging, but we had the right training and the right studying, so I passed it, thankfully. The test that I took consisted more like weather restrictions and the symbols. The best part was actually flying the drone, because I've never in my life seen a drone or fly it. So the first time that we did it, I was actually pretty good because I play a lot of video games with my brother. So the control was good. So that was the most interesting and best part of it, flying the drone. So even after the test, right now I'm practicing so I can get more good at it and familiarize with the drone more. And I even filmed a video for school showing my skills. So at the end of the academy, I was chosen to fly the drone and deliver a pen to the mayor, and a classmate was chosen to deliver the check with me, which was televised and everything. I liked the experience a lot because it was something new and it was something exciting and really, really good.
Would you do it again?
Yes, I would do it again. At the end of the academy and this experience, I would like to continue and work with Paragon or get myself an internship so I can continue and gain more experience with the drones.